Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. Today let us see how to prepare Obbattu. Obbattu is generally prepared for special occasions like Ugadi festival. There are many varieties of Obbattu, that is peanut, coconut, sesame and dry fruit flavors. Usually everybody say that we need some experience to prepare Obbattu. In the beginning, I also struggled to prepare Obbattu. Later on, I started doing in my style. It came out very well also. So, today I want to share with you my method of doing Bele Obbattu. Usually, most of us prepare Obbattu in Chana dal or Tur dal. I prepare by adding both dals and coconut, then dry fruits also. That is the secret of my method. So, it is different from others' method and very yummy in taste. Before watching the video, all of you please subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you all. For preparing Obbattu, we need two things. The first one is dough, the second one is Purna. Here I have given ingredients for dough. Add maida, salt, a pinch of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder and ghee in a bowl and nicely mix it well. Add some more ghee and mix it well if it is required. You can't mix it evenly with hand. So little tricky way, just beat it in mixie for few seconds and take it out. Now you can check it, all ingredients mixed so well. Now it is the right time to add water in it. Even though you can add some more ghee or oil, mix it well and keep it aside. I usually use less oil, but when you are preparing according to your choice, you can add ghee or oil. After mixing well, you close it and keep it aside for some time. Now next step, we have to start preparing Purna. For that ingredients I have given here. In ingredients I have given jaggery, coconut, dry fruits and dal. The quantity according to your choice, you can change it. First boil Chana dal and Tur dal in a cooker separately. Grind the boiled dals and coconut together in a grinder. Now make a powder of dry fruits, what I told already, badam, cashew nut and cardamom, in a mixie and add it to this mix, dal mix. Now boil jaggery with water in a tawa. Then filter this boiled jaggery to remove the dust. Again boil this for some more time and add the dal dough and mix it well. 5 to 7 minutes you have to mix it nicely and leave it as it is. I always buy organic jaggery, so it is in dark color. Now dough and Purna both are ready to prepare the Obbattu. Let us start preparing Obbattu now. Now take a silicone sheet and apply oil in it. This silicone sheet is available in market. This is for preparing Obbatu only they are selling. Take a small piece of dough and spread it on the sheet now. Now take 1 spoon of purna for one Obbatu. See the purna how it is. Very nice. So you can spread it so well. You have to keep it on the dough and cover it from all the sides without any gaps. Spread the dough evenly covered. Apply some more oil. Now cover it with one more sheet and start preparing like chapati. When you are preparing, you have to press very softly. The pressure should be very less when you are pressing. When purna is very nice, you can spread it without any difficulty. Now let us move to next step. Now heat the dosa pan and apply oil. Remove the raw Obbatu from silicone sheet and put it on dosa pan. Once it is hot enough, flip it to other side and apply some more oil or ghee. Now yummy Obbatu is ready. If you follow the same method, it will be very tasty and also you can store it for long period. I have tried in so many ways. At last I am following this method since so many years. All of you please subscribe and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you all.